Hi guys and girls, welcome amazing humans. In this tutorial, 178 divided by 178 which equals 1 and 178 divided by 178 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 178 divided by 178 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 178 divided by 178, and we can write this part as 1 over 178 divided by 178. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 178 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 178 which equals 1 over 31,684, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more adventures.